Welcome! In front of me I have Honor Watch ES and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the side button. After you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. And on this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should look like the moon icon, and this is the Do Not Disturb mode icon. If you want to enable the mode, you can tap on this icon, tap on the check mark. You will see the message Do Not Disturb mode is on at the top of the screen, and the icon will change the color, which indicates that the mode is enabled. And then you can press the side button to go back to watch face. So that's how you enable the mode. To disable it, simply open the quick panel, tap on the icon, you will see the message Do Not Disturb mode is off, and then you can press the side button to go back to watch face. Okay, you can also enable and disable the mode through the settings. So we can press the side button on the home screen to open the menu, scroll through the menu, tap on the settings icon, then scroll through the menu, find the Do Not Disturb mode option and tap on it. And here we have the option called All Day. And to enable the mode, simply tap on the switch or disable it like that. So you can tap on the switch to enable or disable the mode. But you can also enable the schedule for it. So let's say you want the Do Not Disturb mode to turn on automatically and turn off automatically. And you can do it by using the schedule feature. So if you enable the schedule mode, tap on the check mark, you can then scroll down and set the start time and the end time. The start time is basically when the Do Not Disturb mode will be turning on, and the end time is when the mode will be turning off. Let's tap on start, set the hour, then minutes by swiping up and down on the screen. And once you set the time, tap on OK. Then let's set the end time. Like this. And my Do Not Disturb mode will be turning on at 10:30 p.m. and turning off at 9:30 a.m. And once you're done, you can press the side button to go back to watch face. Of course, if you want to disable the schedule mode, simply tap on the switch. Okay, and that's how you enable and how you disable the Do Not Disturb mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.